Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike is a bold step forward in luxury touring for those who want the freedom of the open road with the added confidence of three wheels. Built on the legendary Gold Wing platform, Honda has now offered this trike as a factory-built machine, not just a third-party conversion kit. That alone is a game changer. From the moment you see it, the Gold Wing Trike exudes road presence. It's large, no doubt, but it's also sleek and beautifully sculpted. The front retains the aggressive styling of the standard Gold Wing, with a wide LED headlamp, sharp fairings, and a tall, electronically adjustable windshield. Move to the back and the trike-specific rear end commands attention, with a wide stance, integrated fenders, and tail lights that look like they belong on a luxury car. Hop on, and the experience feels more like stepping into a high-end touring car than mounting a motorcycle. The seat is plush and supportive, the handlebars are perfectly positioned for comfort, and all the controls fall easily to hand. You've got a large, full-color TFT display that acts as your central command hub, offering navigation, Bluetooth, and integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a high-quality speaker system that pumps out crisp audio even at highway speeds. Storage is another win for the trike. With a massive rear trunk and side compartments, you get over 60 liters of cargo capacity. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a cross-country road trip, you're covered. Performance-wise, the Gold Wing Trike continues to impress. It's powered by the same 1,833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine found in the two-wheel version. It produces around 125 horsepower and a meaty 130 lb-ft of torque. What really makes a difference here is the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. It delivers buttery smooth shifts and lets you choose between full automatic mode or manual paddle-style shifting. There's no clutch lever, no gear pedal, just twist and go. And for tight spots or backing out of a parking space, there's a reverse gear and even a low-speed walking mode that crawls the trike forward or backward at the press of a button. But this machine isn't just about going fast in a straight line. The chassis has been specially tuned for the trike format, with independent rear suspension providing excellent bump absorption and road feedback. It rides like a touring car, quiet, controlled, and supremely stable. Even in twisty corners or uneven roads, the Gold Wing Trike remains composed, thanks to its low center of gravity and wide rear track. Braking is confident and progressive, with large disc brakes and integrated ABS giving you full control. One of the biggest advantages of the 2025 Gold Wing Trike is how user-friendly it is. For older riders, beginners, or anyone with balance concerns, the trike format removes the fear of tipping over while still delivering the freedom and thrill of motorcycling. You also don't need to put your feet down at stops, and low-speed handling is far less intimidating. It's designed to inspire confidence, and it does just that. Beyond the mechanicals, what truly sets this trike apart is Honda's commitment to building it as a complete, fully engineered package. Unlike trikes that are modified post-production, everything on the Gold Wing Trike, from suspension geometry to traction control calibration, is designed specifically for the three-wheel format. That means better ride quality, factory-tested reliability, and warranty support that gives buyers peace of mind. In the end, the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike is not just a motorcycle, it's a full-on touring experience. It's luxurious, tech-packed, and engineered to make long rides effortless and enjoyable.